Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. In a world full of challenges and uncertainties, young people often seek meaningful experiences that help them make a difference and find purpose in their lives. One avenue that has proven transformative for many is participating in short mission trips which offer young people a unique opportunity to connect with communities in need and discover the power of service and compassion. Some young Americans, including Luis Emilio Montenegro, Christy Stott, Juliana Bristol, and Natalie Stott, took a mission trip to Tijuana, Mexico in recent weeks, through which they learned valuable lessons. They learned the power of community and impact that individuals can have when they come together for a common purpose. Above all, they learned the joy of selflessly serving others and the difference that kindness and mercy can make in the world. On Sunday, 7th April, on the occasion of the Feast of Divine Mercy, the Don Bosco Oratory on the island of Gozo, Malta, celebrated the 90th anniversary of the first oratory born from a small Salesian house in Victoria. On the same day that Don Bosco was canonized in Rome, 1st of April 1934, on the island of Gozo, Don Paul Micallef and Don Joseph Spiteri created what would become the Don Bosco Oratory. For the 90th anniversary, Don Carmel Mirkika celebrated a solemn mass in the oratory chapel in the presence of numerous past pupils. Don Mirkika therefore launched a heartfelt appeal to continue Don Bosco's mission to save the souls of young people. Present for the occasion was the President of the World Confederation of Don Bosco Past Pupils, Brian Magro, who shared this moment of joy and commemoration with all those who gathered for the special occasion. A meeting of 21 Salesians in Poland's Wrocław province PLO took place from 4th to 6th of April 2024 with the aim of discussing and planning Salesian activities in the coming months. During the days, the participants looked for new ways to reach young people and new ways to involve them in the life of the church. They stressed the importance of personal witness and authenticity in action, fundamental in building relationships with young people. The meeting in Wrocław was also an opportunity to pray together and reflect on the role of the Salesians in the church today, highlighting their missionary and pastoral character. It was a moment of strengthening relations and unity among the Salesians. In the first days of April, the Salesian province of Mary Help of Christians, based in Hong Kong CIN, celebrated the 24th Inspectoral Chapter. The 25 participants representing the 81 Salesians resident in Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan gathered at the Salesian House of Studies, Shok K1, in addition to the young Salesians in initial formation and 2 collaborators of the Youth Pastoral Mission invited as observers. On the final day, Father Joseph Fook, Counselor for the East Asia-Oceania region, presided over the installation ceremony of the new Superior of Hong Kong Province, Father Domingos Leong. Father Leong took the floor and shared with those present his vision of the Hong Kong Province, in which the Salesians, faithful to their charismatic identity, work side by side and with enthusiasm the Salesian family and the collaborators of the mission for the good of young people. Special thanks were given to Father Joseph N.G., former CIN inspector, for his diligence and loving care during his tenure. The Mary Immaculate Vice Province of Madagascar and Mauritius MDG celebrated its 11th provincial chapter from 3rd to 5th of April 2024. The opening of the provincial chapter was 34 chapter members was marked by the presence of Archbishop Thomas Girsa, Apostolic Nuncio in Madagascar, and Bishop Rosario Vela, SDB, Bishop of the Diocese of Moramanga. The Apostolic Nuncio held an evocative conference on the same theme as the next GC29, Passionate About Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. The second day was dedicated to the work of the committees on the 3 core areas of the GC29, followed by the reports in the Assembly with discussion. The entire afternoon of the third day was dedicated to the scrutiny and final vote on the chapter documents and to the closing with the thanks of the moderator and the final address by Father Innocent Bizimana, Superior of the MDG Vice Province. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.